Welcome to the Golden Chick. Let's go see what it's all about. Out here in Austin, Texas. Bow, 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 bow. Give me that Golden Chick. Yeah. What's going on, world? We are back. Today we are out here in Austin, Texas at a place called Golden Chick. It's a nice little spot just off of a crazy highway. Well, I'm not even gonna say highway, it's a crazy road though. There's a lot of traffic happening out there right now. A lot of cops. I ain't got nothing else to say. Let's just get back into the food right now. I done went and got me this drink called Red something. I forgot what it was called, but got my drink. I got the 2-piece meal. See, it's called Golden Chick. And the 2-piece meal comes with a side, but I also got me a little salad on the side as well. So some chicken, some fries. Let's see what this chicken looking like right now. There's that. Let's see. Alright. That's the fried chicken right there. It almost looks like Church's fried chicken. So here's the wing. And it do have a nice little crunch on it. Man, that's some crunchy chicken. Mmm. 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 I wish I would have found this place earlier in the week. I've been out here for a whole week now. It's almost time for me to go home. Man, that shit. That chicken is nice and seasoned to the T. So this is some gravy. Let's try this. Try this gravy. Hopefully it's good. It's giving me Jollibee vibes. That's good. That's good. I don't know how to describe the taste, but it's good. It almost tastes like a clam chowder. It has the consistency of a clam chowder. It tastes a little bit like it. Yeah. I like it. That was good. That's some good chicken. That's some good chicken right there, man. Yeah. Let's try these fries. I'm gonna try them without the sauce first. Okay. That's good too. Yeah. Yeah. I'm about to go get me some more chicken. I only got me a 2-piece because I wanted to test it out. Oh man, that's good. We gonna make this. Got a little salad. I'm about to take that thigh and break it up in here. Make it a chicken salad. That's a little itty bitty salad right there. Ain't no Chick-fil-A, but hey. Make a little mess right now. Look at that thigh. That thigh is nice and crunchy. Let's see if we get. Oh. Damn, I'm making a mess. Let's see if we can break it up on there. Alright. Gotta take the skin off. Yeah, that's a nice looking chicken right there. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. Put that there on the. Don't worry, it's not on the table, guys. It's a little top right here. I mean, you probably won't be able to see it, but it's a top there. Make that to a nice little chicken salad. Stop playing with your foods, man. Wish they gave me some freaking napkins. They only gave me like 3 napkins. Alright. Just tore my little knee up. God. Alright. I gotta clean this table up a little bit. I done made a big old mess. Skin fell all over the place. Let's eat this part first, because this part right here is looking real good. All that skin there. Let's hear the crunch about it. That's punchy. Right, man, lock the door. I don't even know. I didn't know they was closing. Chicken busting right here. This one you know is a good spot. If they closing, they get ready to close, and the chicken's still fresh. They still making fresh chicken. A lot of spots will be like, oh, nah, that's it. And they give you whatever just sitting back there. Oh yeah, that salad is fresh, nice and fresh. A little chicken salad. Man, that was good. I need to make a chicken salad with chicken to use. Man. Let's try this drink. Man, that's good. That soda's, it's like a red soda pop. I don't know the name of it, but that thing is good too. Everything good in here. Sheesh.